It's happened. 3 people in the comments just said to me, let's go. Put 100 slimes inside a corral. The end of Doggles Caves is a great place to discover weird veggies. I just want the clothes. I just want the money. I just want the money. Eat the food. Come on. Okay, number one. I will keep the old corral. That's gonna do. Okay, I will go with Slime Monster 2, and the number one is keep with the old Slime Monster 2 corral. Escape life. Number two as number one is keep with the old corral in Slime Monster 2. Number two is create a new map in Slime Monster 2, and number three is put 100 pink slimes in the corral and make a new map in Slime Monster 2. My goodness. Pop into a caution map, I don't care. You! You! Boom! Eat that! Give me the blood! This one I want. Money. I just want the money. Oh, that was a mistake. Oh. I saved the life of a rock slime. That was for nothing. That was all for the money. Okay, now let's go return. Okay, now it's time to collect the slimes. Well, I have a total of 2 slimes as I look around. I can fit 20 slimes in my backpack. Forming, I can I can only fit 20 slimes. 10 and 10. Farming, I can. That means I need to do 5 times of those with my piece with 20. Done. Now let's go bring this 20 slimes in the corral. You think you can escape? No! Properly! You come. Okay, I got fossil slime, I got cat slime. I don't really care about the rewards, I just want to put the 100 slimes inside a corral. You get out of here, rock slime. Okay, that's 40, that's 40. That's 40 slimes. And when I complete with that, army of slimes are going to demolish the corral and make a mess. Give me the reward system. Bam. Bam. Last one. Tornado storm. It's 16 slimes. 16 slimes. 16 slimes inside a corral. Yeah, a couple more. We have 16 slimes inside a corral. No, no chicken. They start jumping when they see a food. So I need to take that food away. Who is going to be the winner? Who is going to be the winner? Who? Who's gonna be the winner? Who's gonna be the winner? Go! Who's gonna be the winner? That fossil slime's going in the way. And those two ones are walking in the rock. And oh! I go crazy when it happens. Sometimes. Where are you? Chickadoo, I don't like it. Babies. Fine. There's 60 slimes in the corrals. That means there's 18 slimes. I need just a couple more. I only have 10. I can already fill up a whole corral in day 2. can get 10 pink slimes by killing the Grotto. Or just go in here and get this slimes by one by one. One more slime. Ask are going to try to fool the whole corral with pink slimes and demolish the corral. Game is spawning more pink slimes. We have a whole army. Whoa! It's already been 17 minutes and day 2. You already pulled up a whole corral with pink slimes. I have 10 again. I need to find more slimes. Tora was. I was just shaking my head like this. I move too much, well, I'll do that sometimes. I see you say something in the comments. I shake my head. I don't know what to do. Because I was... Okay, that vacuum slime. Get I forgot it though, I have to jump back. Let's go fill this slime with 100 pink slimes. Not like the thing. The slime's going to start going crazy and just... Well, 100 slimes inside the corral. Where's the carrot? I'm gonna collect 7 slimes. Boom. Demolish. Okay. Later, when the minute turns to 25, I'm going to get 2 floats and feed to 1 slime and create a tall vent. Okay, they're starting back to style. Like they're starting like to expand. They're starting to expand. but they are not gonna know they're going to die from toss when the timer reaches 15 over there, which I'm recording right here. You cannot see it because this is a 0. You cannot see it because this is a 0. How to make that little thing up here if you cannot see, guys? Click Windows Enhance key, start with the number A or clear, and you click R, and that is how we make a 0. Yeah, I think this only works in PC. My computer's from Windows. You got a tower. The slimes are starting to expand. Giant trying to like get away from the top. Actually going to spawn a car in the middle of the night. Because when tars appear in the middle of the sun, they die faster. Well, I'm going to spawn in the night. It's spooky. That looks like a giant army of ants. When you get inside an army of ants, you cannot go. No, please, no blocks. No, please. You can only go here. The slimes are trying to expand, trying to not die from the toss. They're trying to find like a barrier place to survive. Yeah, they cannot escape from here because the door's closed. They can only go here. Nope. No. This is how it looks when you get inside of the ant hole. When you get inside of the ant hole, you can see the whole army of ants. I think that was a mistake. See, the slimes go over here. They have a good chance of going there to try to go in the corners and survive. But see, they don't. They're going to be running around the map. This one. Oh, the slime is dead. No, it's not. The slimes could go here. They're going to have a bigger chance to survive because I'm going to fling them off and go all the way over here to get a better chance of surviving because I'm going to spawn the top. Right here, look. Right here. Right, let's go bring that slime right there. There's 2 ones right there. But see, there's 2 slimes. There's not gonna have that much food. And the slimes are going to have a chance to like fall off the, like when the slimes get there, I can fling them off the map or fling them over here. Well, I need to be careful with the slimes go because I already saw one dying in the water. Okay, it's getting nighttime. I'm just going to get more and more nighttime because it's not the time. Okay, it's going right there. But the slimes can have a bigger chance to go in mountains. To go like do a glitch and go here. Well, it's almost getting nighttime. I'm going to do the top end when it reaches 20 a.m. Boom. Beep, bop, boom. Okay, now the tire's going now to absorb the pink slimes to do the event. Now you can survive also to this event of tar slimes too. To not die. Spread expanding, spread expanding. It's like apocalypse. It's like apocalypse. It's like apocalypse. They're not the ones that just running over the walls trying to improve their lives. Okay, I'm going to give you a chance, guys. Go, 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 go. No! The togs! The togs! Oh my, spread expanding. Oh my gosh. Oh. The togs running accelerating! The togs running expanding. Oh my goodness, it's running a mess. It's running a mess. Get up! It's going to be 100 togs versus 1. It's going to be 1 tog versus 100 times. I can't believe this. Oh my goodness, in this place there's like billions! They're eating at oh, whoa. They expand so much! Oh, God. Oh! It's ready a mess. Now I need to survive this whole mess. Oh no. Whoa! No. Lose that thing. I lose my 2 slimes. Tall slimes are starting to disappear. Tall slimes are starting to disappear. When the tall slimes are disappearing, then I need to deal with 100 tons. Oh, dogs! Oh, dogs! Dang it, dogs! God damn it! That tons is stuck in the thing. Holy goodness! Apocalypse. No! Stop it! You're not funny! No! Oh! I can this, I can this. The last tar. No, there's one more tar. There's one more tar, guys. Done. Our 2 spectacular winners, Pink Slime. The 2 pink slime has been survived from the tar apocalypse. Congratulations. Okay, now let's go make the new map.